Work, play, and enjoy life anywhere. This is the first time in history that people can work from anywhere they want. Imagine clocking out, and instead of a traffic-filled, stress-inducing commute home, you take one step outside to a campfire in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, a surf session at your favorite California beach, breakfast by the Great Lakes, fresh powder on the Aspen slopes. There's so much to see, and now there's no excuse to not be there. Vandemic Campervans makes this dream a reality. We offer luxurious and functional vans with a cutting-edge design, technology, and comfort. Whether you want to customize your own or hop into one ready to hit the road, we are the best in the business. Make the dream a reality. Vandemic Campervans.